here from Up in Smok, and today we're talking about the Smok Rigel kit. So the Smok Rigel kit comes in about 5 different colours. So here we've got the red and black, the standard black and the blue and black. It comes with the Smok TFV9 tank on top and takes 2 18650 batteries. So this is the Smok TFV9 tank. As you will have seen in the previous video, this tank also comes on the Smok Scar 18. It is compatible with quite a lot of different coils, Smok V8 baby coils, Geek Vape Cerberus coils, E-Leaf HW coils, lots of different coils fit into this tank, which always helps. You've got your controlled airflow at the bottom of the tank, and it is top fill as well. So here is the device itself. You've got a nice little screen here. At the bottom of the device is your plus and minus buttons to increase the wattage and decrease the wattage, and then at the top here you have got your fire button. So not too many complicated settings on this. You can lock your wattage by using the plus and the minus at the bottom. If I hold both of those down, that locks your wattage, so now it can't turn up and down in your pocket. To unlock the wattage, just the same again, clicking both of those buttons will unlock the wattage so you can turn it up and down again. You can also change the colour of the screen by using the fire button and this button at the bottom here. So it can go from red to yellow to purple, white, blue, green and back to red again. Really, really nice and simple. The maximum wattage of this device is 230 watts, so you've got a lot of wattage to play with there. You can put a dripper on it, you can put a high-end tank on it, whatever tank you want really. This device also takes 2 dual 18650 batteries, so that is really, really nice, a lot of battery life there, and it's also got the new Type-C charging, so very, very good. Doesn't matter which way you put the wire in, it'll charge perfectly fine. So the Smok Rigel kit, very simple, very easy to use. A lot of people do like these devices in replacement from the Smok Alien, which came out years and years ago. We are selling these solo, so without batteries or juice, for £35, or with 2 batteries and a 60ml juice for £50. How about that, guys? Get down to Up in Smok, get yours today, and thank you so much for watching.